Shares of Pacific Century Insurance Holdings Limited 0065 HK opened the last session at $0.415, touching a high of 43 cents and a low of $0.415, yielding a change of 0.005. The latest reading places the stock above the Ichimoku cloud, which indicates positive momentum and a potential buy signal for the equity. The Ichimoku cloud is a favorite technical indicator used primarily in Asian markets. The cloud is one of the only indicators that is both forward and backward looking. The cloud produces better levels of support and resistance and is a breakout trader's best friend. The cloud is also one of the easiest indicators to use. Any trader, regardless of skill level or expertise, can use the cloud to quickly and efficiently analyze any product on any time frame. The cloud shines in the fact that it can be universally applied to any trading plan by any trader. It is a type of chart used in technical analysis to display support and resistance, momentum, and trend in one view. Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen are similar to moving averages and analyzed in relationship to one another. When the shorter-term indicator, Tenkan-sen, rises above the longer-term indicator, Kijun-sen, the securities trend is typically positive. When Tenkan-sen falls below Kijun-sen, the securities trend is typically negative. Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen as a group are then analyzed in relationship to the cloud, which is composed of the area between Senkou A and Senkou B, a multifaceted indicator designed to give support resistance levels, trend direction, and entry exit points of varying strengths. General theory behind this indicator states that if price action is above the cloud, the overall trend is bullish, and if below the cloud, the overall trend is bearish. There are also moving averages, the Tenkan and Kijun lines, which act like the MACD crossover signals, with the Tenkan crossing from underneath the Kijun as a bullish signal, while crossing overhead giving a bearish signal. Checking on some popular technical levels, Pacific Century Insurance Holdings Limited 0065 HK has a 14-day commodity channel index CCI of 74.75. The CCI technical indicator can be employed to help figure out if a stock is entering overbought or oversold territory. CCI may also be used to help discover divergences that may signal reversal moves. A CCI closer to 100 may provide an overbought signal, and a CCI near 100 may provide an oversold signal. Tracking other technical indicators, the 14-day RSI is presently standing at 64.98, the 7-day sits at 66.35, and the 3-day is resting at 54.91 for Pacific Century Insurance Holdings Limited 0065 HK. The Relative Strength Index RSI is a highly popular technical indicator. The RSI is computed based on the speed and direction of a stock's price movement. The RSI is considered to be an internal strength indicator, not to be confused with relative strength, which is compared to other stocks and indices. The RSI value will always move between 0 and 100. One of the most popular time frames using RSI is the 14-day. Moving averages have the ability to be used as a powerful indicator for technical stock analysis. Following multiple time frames using moving averages can help investors figure out where the stock has been and help determine where it may be possibly going. The simple moving average is a mathematical calculation that takes the average price mean for a given amount of time. Currently, the 7-day moving average is sitting at 0.42. Let's take a further look at the average directional index, or ADX. The ADX measures the strength or weakness of a particular trend. Investors and traders may be looking to figure out if a stock is trending before employing a specific trading strategy. The ADX is typically used along with the plus directional indicator D and minus directional indicator D, which point to the direction of the trend. The 14-day ADX for Pacific Century Insurance Holdings Limited 0065 HK is currently at 49.11. In general, an ADX value from 025 would represent an absent or weak trend. A value of 2,550 would support a strong trend. A value of 5,075 would signify a very strong trend, and a value of 75,100 would point to an extremely strong trend.